coaches and creators, watch this video before you even start creating your next ad. So you might be struggling with creating new ads. You don't have new ideas. You don't have new hooks. You don't have any problem to tell to your customer. Why? Because you have already created so many ads and now you are stuck what to do next. And this is your phase when your agency tells you to create new ads. Now you have nothing left. So I am Sagar Achra, founder of Funnels Traffic agency, performance marketing agency. We have created thousands of ads with 100 crores of ad spends, and we also run out of ideas. Let me tell you, we also run out of ideas. But now we have found a way where we know how to come up with next angle, next hook, next ad without thinking or breaking our brains. And I'm going to show, if you watch this video till the end, you will never run out of ideas from now on. Now, first step, collect all your marketing assets in one place. Now, what is that? What are your marketing assets? That's most important thing. All your testimonials, put them into the drive. Second, all your email copies, every email copy you have sent, every email copy you have written, every marketing message your copywriter or you have written, put them into one place. Then collect all your landing pages, put them into one place. Every step-by-step word, put them at one place. All the comments people are doing on your ads, put it in one place. Your winning ads, which are your winning ads? Now, once you do that, remember, you will not have to worry about ads from now on. How? Once you have all the assets, go through, read through them step by step. Read every asset word by word, and I guarantee you, you will find your next ad in your own marketing messages and emails. Now you can create ads from your own assets, which was actually sitting with you, but you didn't knew it, right? That's the way. 100 different emails. You might be having 100 different emails. You can easily come up with 5 different angles from your own emails. In fact, you don't know, our copywriters are writing so many emails, so many showing testimonials, so many hooks inside emails, that those can be easily converted into ad, and that ad can be more engaging than a researched ad. So then comes few ads. Once you do this, you will have n number of ideas. Then few ads you can try, like agitating the problem. Many of the marketers will tell you that tell about the problem. But now what you can do is tell the problem, make the problem bigger. And once you make the problem bigger, that's where people will connect with you. These type of ads, we always come up, we have the problems, we have discussed about the problems, or we have created ads with problem. Now we agitated more in a different ways, and that's how we create more ads. Create founder story ad. Why are you doing it? Tell your own story. Why do you want to serve them? You are into info marketing space, you are coach, you want to serve people. Tell your story. Why? Okay, then now I have seen people doing more ads professionally. Sometimes you just have to talk to people on a selfie camera, right? Those ads also convert better. Now again, as I told you, with your own marketing assets, you will never run off ideas. You can agitate problem with different angles. This way you will have a number of ideas. This is what we are doing at Funnels Traffic. So subscribe for such practical learning coming directly from an agency owner. Thank you.